Well, hello there, scrappy friends. Suzanne here in the studio today to show you the Secret Garden scrapbooking workshop from close to my heart. In addition to the 3 layouts that are done in the workshop, I was able to get in a couple more double pages out of this when working with my sister on it. So let's get to it, shall we? Here is the first one. And in a way, this is a pretty simple layout, but what makes so many of Close to My Heart's layouts so good was the quality of how they do their clusters. And this one is really pretty. Here we have basically 6 patterns going down the page. And then we have a 4x6 here, and then 3x4s going across. Let's take a quick look at these clusters. It's pretty. And then little touches like these at the top of the photos. Just very well done. I forgot to check before I started recording to see if this was still available. It was in the last chance section on the Stampin' Up website, and I believe it was half price, which was kind of the better price point for it. Okay, on the second one, I actually made a boo-boo. Can you spot it? Actually, this pink should be yellow, and this yellow should be pink. I got mixed up when I was cutting and couldn't tell enough from the quality of the printed instructions which was which. That's kind of one of the reasons I so miss the when we actually could get the electronic version of the instructions, because then it was easier to look at something and enlarge it. Okay, so here we have another 6 pieces. This is just 2 each of 3 designs across the page, and then we've got these stunning clusters using both die cuts from the separate die cut set that was included in the kit and stickers from the sticker sheet. Really beautifully done. And we've got some stamping as well. Isn't that pretty? Just gorgeous. They were having you use ink and watercoloring the die cuts, but I actually used alcohol markers instead. Here is the third one. Gorgeous. I love this periwinkle color. Then we've got It's a Beautiful Life, and then Happy, Happy, Happy have been stamped. And then the flowers in that die cut set are just gorgeous. And here we stamped and colored. Got some stickers and dots. Just super, super pretty. Okay. And then here, wanting to use up some more of the stickers, we did some more die cutting. And we have this one. Perfect Memories. So, got a gorgeous flower over on this one, this family. And then I've put these little tabs, all 3 at the top. So it'll be fun to fill those in. And then look at this cluster here. I just love how these colors work together. And then we just did a cute little die cut here. They're pretty. Like that a lot. I actually had an extra set of the coordinating cardstock. That's why I was able to do these photo mats out of the yellow of this. But you could use cardstock as well. Okay, and here's the last one. This is probably the simplest of all of them. We don't have as much bold floral pattern on this one. We're using this at the top, and then we have these tone on tone of the other two colors. So, pretty simple photo layout. And then we got a nice focal photo over here. And I've used a heart punch from my stash to punch out some hearts out of scraps. This pretty, beautiful. This is the Close to My Heart peach color. It's a very pinky peach, and it's probably my favorite Close to My Heart color of all time. So, I've gotten an extra 2 double layouts from that kit, which made it a much better value, and I still have quite a few scraps. My sister gave me hers too, so I will probably be making up some cards from this as well. As always, I appreciate your time and attention. Bye for a bit.